Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the input and output of your voice setting on Discord. So go to user settings and go to voice and video, and here you can find that this is my input device. You can change it here, and also this is my output device, but again you can change it if you have another output or input device that you want to change. You can also adjust the input and output volume. You can also check the check your microphone if it's not detecting it. So select let's check, and here you can either automatically determine your input sensitivity, or you can do it manually here. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!